There's no one there.
Tapos sauce, my first lobster bracket.
Yes. Yes.
So you get money then.
But I only have a few views. Because I'm not famous. The place is so dry. You like it? Cold.
Kind of like salt.
There. Taste test. Good. Rated out of 10. 7. That's the minute rating that came into my mind. Because it's like,
Ano ito na?
it's good like a fishbowl. I don't think yours will fit. Oh, what? Yours is more subtle. They're just so cute. Let me take a picture. Throw this. Hi. Wow, my skin looks clear. It's the lighting's bad. Who wants to try mine?
Your back. One salad. Yeah. Meron pa akong ano.
Chili, fish and chips. Got it, Josh.
They gave us a gift. Okay, unbox.
It's food.
Oh.
You give it.
Chocolate?
Yeah. Yeah, it's Santa.
You don't even stay here. I broke it. Oh, what's the cup broke? What is it? Oh, this is you make a Christmas tree. Like a little bit of bread. Oh, not smart. Kasi it won't taste bad.
This is the big labubu.
What?
Big labubu.
Vanilla ice cream with mango and strawberry sorbet. Try this. Mint talaga. Unlike the others.
Here's the back. Can you what there's
That's not everyone though. Some of them.
4 lang. And the one reviewing it.
Kung may
But so good.
Like they don't know the word. But no, they don't call it. It's called vanilla. It's foggy. Oh. Yeah.
Did you see this one?
Wait, can I use the other camera? No. Oh, why did I do that? What?
So cute.
No.
And then just your
Dim sum.
one.
Chicken.
Curry ball.
Hello.
Letya la, di ko letya la, kuelo le letya. Iya daw la. Tusok na. Pwede ko ang Buddha.
That's my favorite.
Ricardo ka.
Curry fish ball.
Siguro merienda. Bo, ito bola lang ito eh. Di ko kay Aupia ba ta? Outlet na. Timole. Sige, balik. Ito sige station.
Oh, I have Thai coin. Yeah, when I went. No one's been to Thailand naman. Or do you want it? It's part of the ano. This is your rice roll?
Yeah.
Finish it na.
Finish it na.
Try.
The shrimp?
Not bad.
Meron yung tongte.
Sige.
Bro.
Bit warm.
Natural blush. Yeah. Go just here. Thank you. We're going to Disney.
Do that, guys. We should toe point.
Toe point.
Day 2 Hong Kong.
What's biking?
Everyone, and welcome to Hong Kong Disneyland.
I'm already tired.
No, you got this, girl.
Yeah.
Someone already got it.
你哋就嚟坐住嗰個玩雪橇上雪山㗎，興奮咧呀！
Yeah. Yeah.
Ano na yung one
That's very traditional.
在心歌忘掉昨天被告。
You can.
She literally said that one. I was like, you want?
Little energizers.
What?
但係有啲長我已經要縮細先啦。
食咗你就攞唔翻㗎啦。
阿堅我姐姐，你有垃圾啊？没关系，来哥哥来一个拥抱，拥抱。来个拥抱。哎呀，哥哥你不要跟我害羞了，好不好？哥哥。
再见. We're in Hyperspace Mountain. The wicked die.
Look at that. Look at the stars.
Can you say hi? Like, can you shout and say hi?
He's alluded to me, y'all. I just said I'm not a big Marvel fan.
But you're,
No, I said I'm not.
we're a fan of him.
No.
This guy.
No, well, yeah, because he's alluded at me.
You have a crush?
No.
Yes. You wanna be part of my vlog?
Have you guys ridden the train?
Stop! Whoa.
今日嘅旅程，我哋將會飛到去。
Service Expo 8, you are cleared for...
And that's how you jiggle.
Topic?
歡迎嚟到世界知名嘅森林河流之旅。
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go again.
河流之旅玩得開心，仲有小酒店，佢哋可能會隨時整執緊嘅。
You can see the hippo.
They're fixing it just for us.
Yeah.
Why it's so slow?
It's so slow.
进入场车后，请坐好，爬下门车。请将您的帽子和您的随身物品一起放进您面前的安全带里。为了
Taste test. One last story.
Ang gaan nga.
One last story.
Whoa! Oh wow.
Looking for a job. There's the music box.
You know, so every you need to wink. That's why I want that model for the next few days. You're littering.
Under here. Yes, girl.
That's 33%.
Wow. Oh. Churros.
I hope you're happy in the end. Don't like the back of us like this.
No, yeah, I'll film you guys.
Okay, okay. We are losing my phone.
Oh, Santa Goofy, you did it! Because of
Oh wow! Oh, that's so nice. Wow. No, let go. Oh my god, they're ending. We're gonna start running. Wow, happy holidays.
You got that.
Okay, let's go. She's running. Ain't no way we're gonna be with that. Oh, whoa. You're both side-eyeing me.
一路乘客可以喺呢個充滿時代感嘅車站。And East Rail Line doors were opened.
Wait, 24. No.
Nice with its cold like. I took mangoes to here.
It's so awesome though. I like it.
Let's just try it.
26 kanina. Big.
How big is it? Yeah, small one.
That's so big. That is big. Yeah.
Guess I was good.
This brandy girl. We also bro. I'm trying. Where did you get the rest? I watched it happen in slow-mo. She went to Zara. Hey, you were just there? Wait, I'll help you. Teach me what?
You didn't buy anything? Where's your brandy? Austria, hinanap ko niya.
Mommy, where are you going?
Oh wow. This is so funny.
Oh, wow.
Landmarks. Sanrio. Ah,
Buy one or two.
there's no pampampurin. Okay.
Ano nga sa maleta? Ano ko maleta?
Ooh, it's my melody.
Sorry.
I'm gonna open
I
one
saw
more.
one thing near the big one.
Yeah, right.
Near the big one.
It's all red.
At si din sa
If you don't find
Consuela.
it,
Ang hindi din sa
Kero.
Consuela, Zach. Para mami ihot ko.
There's an AC.
Para may nainom ka. How is it? You ask Papa.
Can you refund?
Me.
Try it.
Can you refund? Oh no.
Sanrio
So
chopstick.
there's the first.
It's not rice.
Matching.
Is it really? The past couple of videos.
Oh, I feel so bad. Its head is split now. Have like it's my brows. Oh. How cute! Give me a picture. You're so mysterious. Oh, yes. You look mysterious. Okay. Are you gonna make a vlog? Yes. Hi! Hi, vlog! Vlog. Introduce yourself. I'm Maddie. Hi, Maddie. get desserts. We're gonna get desserts.
Are you so happy to be in Hong Kong?
We. Gusto ko Fashion Week.
Because I went to a camp.
Did you guys get? No.
Gorgeous girl.
Have you been to Bar Flora?
Oh, that's so good.
Really? What does it taste like?
You wanna try?
Wow, mine is lovely. Mine's not. What is it?
I'm still figuring out what it is.
Those the lemon grape and vodka.
Let's drink it till like it's almost done until we don't like it.
I like it.
Really?
It's like sparkling. Sparkling. Yeah.
I like it.
It's fine. How do they come up with that? Maybe they get oysters and put the juice in.
Cheers! That's a what? Chowder corn.
Oh, well, that's like the best compliment.
Hey. Where are you going?
Oh yeah, let's go up.
Wait up. Here, we came from here. Well, we can go here.
Okay, where should we go? This is chilly.
She's not happy.
Like you.
She's so I wanna be in this whole group. Oh, can your jacket?
She's oppressed. Maybe 10 minutes. It's fine. Yeah.
Soup dumpling. Ooh, chili.
One is spicy. These two are spicy.
Your guitar.
Okay, there's plastic.
Oh, why is this stand slick?
Okay, yeah. We'll have to move away.
Go. Oh. Yum. Did it reach your expectations?
Yeah, pretty good.
That's good. We're trying to find a bar because everything is full. Dre! It's a me!
Monkey 47 Express.
Hello. Hello. Are you with people? Hello. Oh. Why you hate your ass? This is no Saturday club. When you came in. Let's do that.
Lego. So cinematic.
Wow, your camera is so nice.
Thank you. I take pride in it.
You take pride in it. Shan! I mean, that's me. Oh. That's also you. You're also Anne. Oh, yeah. She's crying in her first time at a bar. Does she say bye to Mia? They're saying bye, but this is one, two. What do you have to say about that? Is what you let's go Dumaguete. Dumaguete. I'm so touched. Lexi's crying again.
This is like a goodbye party, except she hasn't even left yet.
Oh no, she's okay. I want this one. Orange. Actually, all of. Oh my gosh. Upmart unboxing. This one's mine. I want to get this one, or this one, or the secret.
I want 1, 2, 3, 4. The one with the big ears, not so much, but whatever. If I do it, this one, but 4 out of 6. Then secret, let's see.
I feel like you got the blue. The white one.
Allah.
What's that?
Why does it show?
Did I get the income?
Oh no.
Oh my god.
No. Finding naman ako.
Oh, so cute. Good guess it. Matches my nails. Oh, what time is our flight? What time is our flight? Ta-da! I want one more.
Ang titig isa more.
Sa meron.
No, on the go. Like, I had to work there.